Windows are an integral part of any home, offering natural light, enhancing curb appeal, and providing insulation. In Love's Park, where seasonal changes can vary from cold winters to hot summers, it's essential to ensure your windows are well maintained to prolong their lifespan and maximize their efficiency. Proper maintenance not only preserves the aesthetic appeal of your windows but also helps them perform at their best, saving you money on energy bills and preventing costly repairs. In this article, we'll guide you through practical tips on how to maintain your Love's Park windows for longevity, ensuring they continue to function efficiently and look great for years to come. Regular cleaning of windows and frames. Keeping your windows clean is the most basic form of maintenance that goes a long way in ensuring their longevity. Dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate on both the glass and frames, leading to the wear and tear of materials over time. Regular cleaning helps maintain the clarity of the glass and prevents dirt from damaging the frame. Glass cleaning. Use a soft cloth or microfiber towel to clean the glass and remove streaks. For stubborn dirt, use a non-abrasive cleaning solution to avoid scratching the surface. Avoid using harsh chemicals that may damage the glass or seals. Frame cleaning. Depending on the material of your window frame, vinyl, wood, aluminum, etc., clean the frames using an appropriate method. Vinyl frames can be cleaned with soap and water, while wooden frames may need to be treated with a wood-safe cleaner to prevent moisture damage. Be sure to clean the window tracks, especially for sliding windows, as dust can accumulate and block smooth operation. Inspect seals and weather stripping. Over time, the seals around your windows and the weather stripping on doors can wear out, causing air leaks that reduce your home's energy efficiency. Gaps and cracks in your window seals allow heat to escape during the winter and let cool air in during the summer, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature in your home. Inspect seals. Regularly check the seals around your windows to ensure they are intact. If you notice any cracks, gaps, or loose seals, replace them promptly to prevent drafts. Replace weather stripping. The weather stripping around the edges of your windows should be flexible and intact. Over time, weather stripping can become brittle and ineffective. Replace worn-out weather stripping to maintain proper insulation and prevent energy loss. Lubricate moving parts. Windows that feature moving parts, such as casement or sliding windows, require regular lubrication to maintain smooth operation. Over time, tracks and hinges can accumulate dirt, making it harder to open and close the windows. Lubricating these components will keep them functioning properly and extend their lifespan. Lubricate tracks and hinges. Use a silicone-based lubricant to lubricate window tracks and hinges. Avoid using oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dirt and grime. Apply a small amount of lubricant and wipe off any excess to keep the tracks clean and smooth. Test window operation. After lubricating the tracks and hinges, test the window's operation to ensure it opens and closes easily without resistance. If the window is difficult to move, it may indicate a larger issue that requires professional attention. Check for damage and repair promptly. Regular inspections for damage are crucial for identifying potential problems before they escalate. Look for signs of wear, such as cracks, chips, or broken glass, as well as damage to the frame. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent further damage and save you money on expensive repairs or replacements. Glass damage. If you notice any cracks or chips in the glass, it's important to have them repaired or replaced. Small cracks can expand over time, leading to more significant issues. If the glass is severely damaged, a full replacement may be necessary. Frame damage. Inspect the window frame for signs of rot, warping, or corrosion. Wooden frames are particularly susceptible to moisture, especially in Loves Park, where high humidity and wet conditions are common. If you notice any damage to the frame, it's best to address it early to prevent further degradation. Maintain proper drainage around windows. Proper drainage is essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows. If water accumulates around the base of the window, it can seep into the frame and cause damage, particularly in wooden frames. Ensuring that the area around your windows is properly drained can help prevent moisture buildup and reduce the risk of water damage. Clean window wells and drains. Ensure that any window wells or drainage systems around the windows are clean and clear of debris. Blocked drains can cause water to pool around the window frame, leading to mold, mildew, and wood rot. Ensure proper slope. Check that the ground around your window slopes away from the house to direct water away from the window. If the ground slopes toward the window, it can cause water to pool, potentially leading to damage over time. Protect windows during extreme weather. Loves Park experiences a variety of weather conditions, including snow, rain, and occasional storms. Extreme weather can take a toll on your windows, so it's important to take steps to protect them during harsh weather conditions. Storm protection. Consider installing storm windows or using hurricane shutters to protect your windows from strong winds and flying debris during storms. If you live in an area prone to severe weather, this extra layer of protection can prevent costly damage. Winter preparation. In colder months, ice and snow can build up around your windows, leading to potential damage. Keep your windows clear of snow and ice to prevent it from freezing in the cracks or damaging seals. Conclusion. Prolong the life of your Loves Park windows with regular maintenance. Maintaining your Loves Park windows is essential for preserving their longevity, functionality, and appearance. Regular cleaning, inspecting seals, lubricating moving parts, and checking for damage are simple steps you can take to ensure your windows perform optimally for years to come. Additionally, protecting your windows from weather-related damage and maintaining proper drainage around the base of the windows will help prevent costly repairs and keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. By investing a little time and effort into regular window maintenance, you can enjoy the benefits of clear views, energy efficiency, and enhanced curb appeal without the worry of unnecessary repairs. Keeping your windows in top condition will not only improve the comfort of your home but also increase its value and overall appeal.